Welcome, guys. I want to talk about the new DJI Goggles 2 and some of the main issues that I'm having and seen other people having and nobody's talking about. And I just wanted to kind of start a little conversation. First up, if you have a stigmatism and wear contacts like I do, I cannot get a one image on my goggles. So I don't know, no matter what you do, it has, like, I've contacted DJI support and they're kind of whatever about it, but they do have the diopters adjustments, right? So you can adjust accordingly to your vision. Now, I thought my eyes were maybe just messed up. And also, apparently, another issue could be your pupillary distance, which is the distance between the center of your pupils. If it's too far apart, you could have some issues or like that. But I measured mine with an app on my iPad, and my pupillary distance is normal, so that's good. So what I did then was take out my contacts, and then I was blind. But then I tried putting the goggles on, and I fiddled around with all the adjustments on it and the settings on the inside, and I ended up getting a regular picture, which was awesome. That's great. But I wear contacts 99% of my time. So now that's an inconvenience where now I have to either bring a contact case with me and take my contacts out just to fly my drone, or what I've just recently done is gone got an eye exam and ordered some glasses, which is new for me because I haven't had glasses in like 20 years. So, yeah, that's kind of where I'm sitting at right now. When I contacted DJI support online, they basically told me to use the goggle or use the drone without the goggles, which is stupid for the Avata as it's the first person view drone. Um, and my quick fix right now is really silly. I take like a microfiber cloth bag or something, and I just like stuff it in over one of the lenses. Obviously not this big, but just to cover the lens. So I'm only using one of my eyes at a time to fly, and that works. It's probably not the best solution, probably not the best for your one eye, but in a pinch, that's kind of just what I'm doing until DJI kind of figures something out. And so if anyone else has had that issue or anything like that, definitely comment, let me know, or if you guys have solutions, please let me know, because I don't like this and it's not everything it's hyped up to be, right? It's not why I bought the DJI Avata, to not be able to fly it properly. Some things I saw people were saying on the forums, that if they do have corrective lenses, like they do wear glasses and stuff, these aren't meant to go over glasses, okay? So that's why you do have the dials inside to adjust to your prescription. This is not like virtual reality. I checked that out. Virtual reality is designed to go over glasses and stuff like that, to make it, I guess, better for you, so you don't have to do that. But the cool thing is with DJI, you can take your glasses off and you can adjust it like you're in an eye doctor's office. Just the readings like that. So if you do have glasses, these ones aren't meant to go over glasses. This is meant to be instead of glasses, and that's why they have the diopter settings on the inside, diopter lenses on the inside. Okay, so that's it for that part. Second part, which I've been extremely frustrated on, I was on every YouTube video, every forum last night, trying to figure out how to get all the information from your SD card to your phone, and there's no actual way to do it. I've plugged the goggles directly into my phone, and I've tried to go into the albums, I've tried to go into anything, I've tried doing the settings through the touchpad, through the goggles to get anything. You can batch select the files, you can select the files, and you can basically delete them. That's all I came to the conclusion. And there's no way to actually get them from the goggles to your phone like you can with the other drones, like the Mini 3, Mini 2, where you just turn on the drone and you can go through your phone and put them, you just batch select and export them to your phone or your album on your device. So that's extremely frustrating. Right now, my temp solution is I actually do have a GoPro micro SD card. Oh, it's not focusing there. Anyways, GoPro micro SD card to Type C adapter, which I put in and then I just plug into my Mac, and I can get the files off that. I just ordered a micro SD to Lightning cable adapter, so I can just take the SD card out of the goggles, put it in that, upload on my phone. Again, I don't know what's going on with DJI and their new goggles. It's kind of not user friendly right now, and I don't know when they plan on fixing that. I don't know why it was released. I know a lot of people are having a lot of issues, so that sucks. And like I said, if you guys know of anything, or if you guys are seeing this video months down the line and things have come out, definitely comment, let me know, because I would love to get these things working properly without these issues, without all these runarounds. I don't know, DJI has done some pretty good stuff with everything else, so this is kind of a letdown, especially for the price you're paying. Like, it's not cheap for the Avata and the goggles and stuff like that, and to have to do all this runaround stuff is kind of ridiculous. But I'm gonna end the video on some positive notes. I did get it out for a few flights. It's super responsive. The picture quality is good through the goggles. Like, I was using my one eye. The picture quality was amazing. The responsiveness of the drone, the motion controller. I've never flown a first-person view drone before with a controller or anything, so the motion controller is my first go at it. And honestly, it's like a joystick in a plane. Like, it's amazing. I don't mind it so far. It's what I'm learning on, so it's what I know. But I really like it, and like I said, the responsiveness of it's so quick. And I don't have any. I haven't had any latency issues between the drone and the goggles yet. So like I said, what I'm seeing is virtually like real time. So yeah, I want to end off on that positive note. Again, though, if you guys do have any questions, or you guys agree, or you guys have found solutions, please let me know in the comments. I really appreciate it. And if DJI sees this, please do something quickly, because this is an amazing product and it could be even better once all that stuff gets sorted out. But yeah, so thanks so much for watching, guys, and see you around.